Nagtatampo ka ba sa asawa mo? Anak, do you struggle with accepting feedback about your business? Now let me tell you about my mentees. Let's just call them Manny and Lisa. They started a meat processing business together and they were very passionate about their longanisa and tocino. And there was a time when Lisa developed a new marinade recipe. When Manny tasted it, he pointed out some issues with the flavor and the shelf life. Siyempre, nasaktan si Lisa and you know what? Hindi sila nag-usap ng ilang araw. Alam mo anak, sometimes the biggest obstacle to business growth is our own ego. Kaya Lisa realized later na Manny was not criticizing her. He was just pointing out ways to improve their products. So, instead of avoiding the conversation, pinag-usapan nila ulit at mas naintindihan nila ang perspective ng isa't isa at natutong makinig ng hindi agad napipikon. Kaya ito yung lesson. In business and marriage, feedback is not meant to hurt, ha? It's meant to help. Hindi ito laban ng tama o mali, kundi ang paglago inyong dalawa. Kaya sa susunod na may puna ang asawa ninyo tungkol sa negosyo ninyo, huwag agad mapikon. Talk it over, listen with an open mind, and ask yourself, what can we learn from this? Instead of, bakit niya ako kinokontra? Let's be business-minded Pinoy. Building a business with your partner, the ebook, Business Soulmates, shares 5 practical steps to turn your shared dreams into business success. Grab your copy via the link in the comment.